Here's a close look at the iRobot Roomba i3 EVO as it navigated back to the charging station. As you can see, it did so very easily. Overall, this is definitely a product that I would recommend. It functions very well, has a very sleek design to it. It's got the charging station over here, and I'll give you a close look at the bottom. So we've got our little sweeper tool there, gets around very easily, and then you can easily remove anything that's picked up just down there, which you might have to do somewhat frequently, but it works well in that way, and it's not too difficult to do every now and then. My only complaint with this device, however, is that it is somewhat chaotic, I suppose, in how it gets around. Whenever we run it, we like pick up all the chairs and like put them on the tables and pick up things so that they're not on the ground, because it does bump into things, and it does have a hard time cleaning and getting around sometimes. And you can do smart mapping. It works well, just overall, especially as it's still trying to figure out, it's gonna just clean around randomly, and it might not get to the whole house. So it's just something to keep in mind, but overall I would definitely recommend this, and it will certainly keep your house clean.